All right, y'all. So this month for the Marketing Book Club of the Month, we are going to be talking about one of my most favorite subjects of all, and that is content marketing. The book that we're going to be overviewing is The Content Fortress. So the reason I chose this book is because it not only tells you what type of content to create, but it tells you specific content to create to attract people and specific content to create to repel the wrong types of people to your business. So I know we've all been there where you've hopped on a call, you've prepared, you spent time, and you get on the call, whatever it is that you're selling, whether that be a coaching program or something in your agency, and then the person says, sounds great, but you're really out of my budget. I really can't afford what you're offering me. So this type of content is what they say in the Content Fortress will attract the right kinds of people, the people that have the money, the people that already know what to expect before they even hop on a call with you. So that way it makes the transactions easier, okay? There are 8 content pillars that this book covers, and we are going to dive into each one. But before we do, I just want to introduce myself to the new people here. My name is Nachole Johnson. I am a fractional content marketing manager. If you're interested in content marketing for your business, please like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and jump into these 8 different content pillars of the Content Fortress. Make sure you stick till the end of the video where I'm going to give you an opportunity to get your hands on a copy of the Content Fortress yourself for absolutely free. All right, number 1 of the Content Fortress with the type of content you should be creating for your business straight out the gate is repelling content. So this type of content repels the wrong type of person to your business. So obviously, if you are selling high ticket programs, you don't want to attract someone to your business that can't necessarily afford that high ticket program, number 1. If you are trying to go for a B2B type business and you don't actually want to attract a consumer versus another business, okay? So this repealing content is content that you put on your website, that you share on socials, that's basically repelling the wrong types of people. And in the book, they get really honest, and it's like they will put it on their blog, hey, we are not for you if XYZ. So whatever your things are for your business, whatever is specific for your business and is not good for your business, then you need to lay that out. We are not the business for you if that, okay? So that is repelling content. All right, so we are going into number 2 of the content pillars of the Content Fortress, and we just spoke about repelling content, so now we are actually going to talk about attracting content. So we've repelled the people that we don't want to attract to our business, so now we have to talk about who we actually want to attract to our business. So this is content saying, you are a great fit for our company if this. So for Studio 822, you are a great fit for my company if you are a company that focuses on business to business or business to consumer, and you are in the healthcare industry and you need help with content marketing for your business. You are not the right type of people or the right type of company if you are, say, a freelancer or a solopreneur and you want to develop this big, huge content strategy plan. I'm not the right person for you, and especially if you're in something else besides the general healthcare realm, right? So that way you are attracting the right types of people to you. And you need to have this attracting content, and you need to have actually all of this content that we're talking about in these 8 different content pillars all over. So you need to have it on your website, in your website copy. You need to have it in your blogs. You need to have it in your social media posts. You need to have it in your YouTube videos, or if you are creating YouTube videos as well. All right, so the 3rd content pillar is sales content. Every business needs sales content. So that is whatever product or service that you're selling, whatever you are offering to people, and how you actually talk to people about your product. So whether or not you have to have a Zoom meeting with them, or whether or not it's they go to your website and they just directly buy, whatever it is, you need to have some type of sales content, obviously, within your content marketing mix. All right, so this next content pillar can be a bit controversial for some people, but it's your pricing content. And so I'm one of the types of people where I like to know the general range. If you're not going to give me a specific answer, I like to know the general range of things before I walk into things. So some people are very transparent, and I love it when I go to their website and I see that something costs a certain amount of money. I love it. Some people are like, okay, so call for more information, or prices start at $5,000. Okay, so that kind of helps. But then again, you don't know where the actual range is. Is it $5,000 to $50,000? You don't know. But they are saying basically here with the pricing content, make it clear what your prices are and what your customers can expect in terms of what to pay for your products and services. Enjoying this content? Subscribe to the Content Bite newsletter for weekly tips, strategies, and tools that'll help you amplify your brand with content marketing. As a bonus, you can refer friends to the Content Bite newsletter to unlock extra tools to help you grow your business. Click on the link below to sign up. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Okay, so the fifth type of content is guiding content. So this is basically educational materials that guides your prospective client or customer. And so they already know the process of what to expect. So this is guiding them through the sales process basically before they even hop on the phone with you or before they even actually push the purchase button on their computer. This is letting your clients and prospective clients become more well-informed clients before they actually turn into your customers. Okay, so the sixth type of content is process content. Process content goes over your unique process on whatever it is that you're selling. So for example, as an example with Studio 822 and what I do with the content marketing strategy part of it is I go through the process of what I'm going to be doing as far as strategy. So we're going to be doing competitor analysis. We're going to be looking at your sales funnel. We're going to be optimizing things. We're going to be doing a SWOT analysis of all your channels. We're going to come up with a strategy. You get it. So this type of content is basically walking prospective customers through the process of what happens once they do become a client. So say for instance, you sign with me, and after you sign, we go ahead and set up a kickoff call. And then after that kickoff call, I start getting to work and I go through this process. And it takes me about 4 to 6 weeks to get everything done. So that is the type of content that you want to have on your website. So that can be a blog post. Actually, I have blog posts on my website that go through my process and go through everything. And it ends with a call to action. If you're interested in learning more about this, go ahead and book a call. So by the time people book calls with me, they already know what to expect from me if they sign on as a client. Okay, so the seventh type of content that businesses should actually have is culture content. So this type of content tells people who you are and what you actually stand for. So I don't know how long you've been watching my channel and if you know me, but what I stand for, I am a Christian, I am a homeschool mom, I'm a single mom, I am all for the single women taking care of kids by themselves. I'm all for that. That is my culture. So I really resonate when I'm talking to the FamTech space. So family technology, or the femtech space, because I am a woman and I am a mother. And so people need to know what your values are and what you actually stand for. And that will attract people, like-minded people, to your business. And they may want to do business with you simply because not that you are the best at what you do in business, but because they have some kind of emotional tie to you because of what you stand for. Okay, so the very last type of content that they suggest in the Content Fortress as a content pillar is opinion content. Okay, so opinion content is a little different than the culture content. So your opinions are going to be things that you stand strongly and firmly on. So I want to use Chick-fil-A as an example. So Chick-fil-A has strong opinions about their views and that they are only open Monday through Saturday. So that is them. And that kind of ties in a little bit with the culture as well, but the opinion. So they stand on that and they have people backing them simply because they have an opinion on something. So when we talk about opinions, and it doesn't have to be anything political, religious, anything of that nature, but if you have a strong opinion about something, then you need to share it. So maybe your opinion is that on YouTube, short form videos work better than long form videos to get clients. So I don't actually believe in that. I believe it's the opposite. But if that is your opinion and you are short form all the way, then you need to spread that to the rooftops and let everybody know your opinion, and you will attract people who think like you into your business. So those are the 8 pillars of the content fortress. And I plan on using these, and I've already used some of them within my website, and I plan on implementing more. So let me know what you think as far as this content fortress and these 8 different content pillars. If you're interested in getting a copy of the Content Fortress so you can implement these 8 content pillars into your business, I'm dropping the link down below. That way it'll take you to Amazon, so that way you can go ahead and get your copy of the Content Fortress. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, please share with others, and I'll see you on the next video.